After living in China for 4 years, I've had the chance to see the Great Wall from 3 different locations, but I never imagined I'd see one of China's most iconic sights from above in a helicopter. Today, my friends and I flew over one of the most iconic landmarks on Earth, the Great Wall of China. But before we lift off, let's rewind. Here's a look back at one of my most incredible days traveling through Beijing, China. Our day began with a Didi ride straight to our first sight of the day.
Hello! Welcome to Beijing.
This is my friend Alex and I on our way to the Summer Palace, one of China's most iconic imperial gardens and something so beautiful to see if you're visiting Beijing. From the moment we stepped inside, we were instantly amazed by the beauty surrounding us. This space was so much more expansive than we expected. Every path seemed to lead to something new. Countless buildings and temples, a walk through the gardens, and views that stopped us in our tracks.
We're about to enter the makeup building. Ooh, it's like a museum. Oh, look at the ceiling. Cool.
We spent a couple hours here walking around and looking at all the little details.
Oh my gosh, how cute!
Eventually, we made our way to the main pagoda, which is the Tower of Buddhist Incense. It's a multi-story structure that sits atop Longevity Hill and overlooks Kunming Lake. We slowly made our way up the stairs, and the closer we got, the more detailed and beautiful the structure became. After taking in all the sights at the Summer Palace, we were on our way to our next activity of the day, to walk on the Great Wall of China. We met up with our friend Dawson and then hopped on a bus which took us to the entrance of the Badaling section of the Great Wall. I've seen another section of the Great Wall here in Beijing, but this was different, so we were excited to compare and see how it looked. The second we started the hike up, we were so mesmerized and impressed with the views. This section actually has many spots that are quite steep and either has inclines or stairs along the way. We had our best time making our way to the top of the south section and we're laughing along the way.
I'm fully climbing on my toes.
I like this man.
Pull yourself up, Dawson. We're climbing up the steepest slope directly into the sunlight to go to the top of the south section of the wall. Come on, you can do it! It's so strong! This is pretty steep. Dawson,
I'm eating a McDonald's breakfast sandwich.
Where did you get
China.
that from?
This is hilarious.
This is really funny.
I'm so happy.
I'm dying.
Finally, the time had come. We were on our way to our main event of the day. We hopped in a car to head toward the airport and practiced our aviation terminology on the way. This is Alpha reporting for duty. Over.
I got you, Alpha. This is Bravo here. Check, check. Delta, what's your status? Over.
Delta here. 10-2. Over.
10-4.
No, 10-2. It means I need to go to the bathroom.
We arrived to the airport and suddenly everything blurred together as we were about to step into the memory of a lifetime, flying a helicopter over the Great Wall of China.
We're about to go on a helicopter ride!
Over the Great Wall of China.
To see the Great Wall of China! I'm so excited!
As we lifted into the sky, everything around us suddenly became calm and quiet, like a wave of peace washed over everything. Seeing the Great Wall from above made me feel so small, but also so inspired. Sometimes changing your perspective reminds you how lucky you are to be here, to be alive, and to share moments like these with friends. Moments that are filled with beauty and inspiration and become memories of a lifetime.
Awesome.
That was insane.
Good job, team. I really enjoyed that.
That was one.
Wow.
谢谢.
谢谢.
This is Alpha reporting a successful flight to the Great Wall of China.
Great time up in the sky with you all.
That was insane. I have no words.
Over and out.
Over and out.
And for me too, Alpha, over and out.
And just like that, our incredible day had come to an end. I couldn't have asked for a more unforgettable experience. While the Great Wall of China may not be a hidden gem, flying over it in a helicopter gave us a completely new perspective, one that revealed just how vast and grand and breathtaking this place truly is. China has so much beauty to offer, and every destination I've visited here has surprised me in the best way. It's been an incredible journey meeting new people and discovering so much along the way. If you want to see more of my travels through China, check out the videos below and don't forget to subscribe. I'm on a mission to uncover hidden gems in every corner of the world, and if you're watching this, you're already on the journey with me.